Jeez.
What went on here?
It all happened so fast. First of all, Darwin got angry because he thought he deserved a sunny cloud for winning some dodgeball game.
Yeah, I remember that.
And then Anais flipped out because Mom won't share top spot on the chart.
What? Anais too?
And when Mom put your face on the sun, I trashed the house.
I got a son. Wait a minute, you trashed the house?
Darn right! And I'll do it again if she doesn't give me a star for my cheese crayon! Ah!
Not bad.
Feels good to win, doesn't it?
No it doesn't! Your chart is ruining this family. They're all behaving like animals. I mean, hello? We were all happy before. Do you even realize what you're doing to us?
That's right. Use your anger. Because you're going to need it for our little family outing tomorrow.
Why? What's happening tomorrow?
Okay, people, first one to capture the flag wins. You get hit, you're out.
Oh, this is great. Paintball with crazy people. I'll be in the car.
What have I got to do to get you to show a little competitive spirit?
Okay, I'll play. But only if you tear down that stupid chart.
Oh, I'll tear down that chart. If you win.
All right, you're on. But please, everyone, this is a family outing. So let's play fair and try to have a little fun, okay? Great. Dad?
Please, take off the mask. Oh, thank you. Smells like other people's faces.
What happened?
I didn't even see her.
See who, Dad?
Your mother.
Chill out, dude. It's only me.
I'm scared, man. You were right! That French chart is evil!
Look, if we stick together, we can beat Mom. All we need is a little time to come up with a plan. Okay, I think we're safe here, buddy. Darwin?
Go on without me.
I'm not gonna leave you here.
It's too late for me. You're the only one who could save this family from insanity. I saw the flag from the tree just over that hill.
No.
No!
Just go! Just go. Don't move. I'm winning this thing. I don't think so. One of mine, huh? You know it's for the best.